Hello, welcome to online class of Birgons Pilot Government High School. How are you, students? I think you are all fine. Me too. Okay, think about some great personalities of the world. If I ask you, can you name some of the great personalities or great persons? You will say Donald Trump, the President of the US, then Humayun Ahmed, Dr. Jafar Iqbal, and so on. There are many famous persons in our country. And if I ask you some female personalities, there are many names will come. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is the Prime Minister of our country. And think about the past. Can you name some of the writers or great personalities? If we think, then a name will come, Begum Rokeya. So our topic is Begum Rokeya today. Begum Rokeya. Well, Unit 5 and Lesson 1. Begum Rokeya. If we ask about some personalities, then what we notice? His early life, when she was born, and about his family, educational background, and so on. And today we are going to learn about Begum Rokeya. Okay, I am reading the text about Begum Rokeya. Uh, think about what do you know about her. What think about her early life. What is her contribution, and so on. Okay, listen to my text very attentively, and you will find out when she was born, about her family, and her education, and how many languages she knew. Okay, I'm going to read the text. Listen to me very attentively. Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and a social worker. For her identity, what is Begum Rokeya? How do we know him? Know her? Begum Rokeya was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in an undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Paraband, Rangpur in 1880. You know it very well. Paraband, a very well-known place in Rangpur district. Her father, Zahiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Saber, was an educated landlord. Landlord we mean Jamindar we say. Rokeya was married to Khan Bahadur Shakwat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative, who, uh, who tries to help others, and always encouraged to inspire Rokeya to go on with her activities. Which activities? She was trying to fight for the equal rights for women as men enjoy. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. Okay, have you got the points? Okay, now I am going to ask you some multiple choice question, MCQ questions, and I will tell you the options and think about the correct answer. Number 1. Begum Rokia fought for. Fought for what? Fought for democracy or independence or women's rights? What is the correct answer? I think women's right is the correct answer. 2. Rokia was born in a village, a town, a slum. A slum means Bosti Elaka. So, I think the correct answer will come a village. And the 3. Rokia loved what? English, Bangla, Urdu. She had great fascination for her mother tongue. So, the answer will be Bangla. And Shaukat Hussein's working place was Parabant, Bhagalpur, Rangpur. Shaukat Hussain is the husband of Begum Rokeya. She worked as the magistrate of Bhagalpur at the time. So, correct answer is Bhagalpur. Bhagalpur is a district in Bangladesh, West Bengal, or Bihar. The correct answer will be Bihar. Well, now in section D, you notice here is a table. Here is a table Begum Rokeya. You will just transfer the information. Here are the options are occupation. What was her Begum Rokeya's occupation? It is given in your textbook. She was a writer and a social worker who works for the society. It's called social worker. Born in, married in, family, language. Okay. Now I am going to show this table. Look here. Can you see? These are the information about Begum Rokeya. Occupation, she is a writer and social worker. She is a writer and social worker. She wrote many books and she is a social worker. When born? Born in 1880. It is the year when Begum Rokeya was born. Married in 1896. Family, she was born in a landlord family. Her father was a landlord. I already mentioned to you, Jomidar we say in Bangla. Family landlord. Language, Bengali and English. He learned it Bengali and English from his eldest brother Ibrahim. So these are the information we got about Begum Rokeya. Now, here are some questions. I am going to give you, you will read the text at home and try to write the answers of these 3 questions. Question 1. What was Begum Rokeya's belief? বিশ্বাস। তিনি কিসে বিশ্বাসী ছিলেন? What was the Begum Rokeya's belief? Then question 2. What did she fight for? What did she fight for? What did she fight for? তিনি কিসের জন্য লড়েছিলেন? Now the question 3. What kind of family? What kind of family? What kind of family did she come from? Did she come from? So I am giving not so many questions. I am only giving you 3 questions. You will do it at home as homework. It is your homework. Think about the text, read the text once again repeatedly as many times as you can understand better. Then try to find out the answers of these 3 questions. So thanks for today and hope to see you next. Thank you very much.